Boys, today is the freaking day, man. Well, when you're watching this video, it'll be like days after, but today is the day in the making. For about like 3 weeks now, it's my freaking meet. So there's a slight problem right now. Show 'em. It's raining right now, but don't worry, knock on wood. Apparently it's supposed to clear up around like 5 or 6 and the meet starts at 7, so we should be good. Yo, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I honestly don't know what to expect. Like, you guys will find out obviously in like a couple minutes, but for me it's like I'm waiting like another 6 hours till I find out, but I have no idea. I'm hoping because it's raining right now, it doesn't like hinder people from going, but it should be a good turnout, hopefully. Yeah. Oh, if you're in the Toronto GTA area, Quench, I put you on.
Blah 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 blah.
Blah 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 blah. So yo guys, let me know what you guys think of this angle. I was thinking instead of doing like the POV drives, I could just like wrap my new tripod around like the door handle and like do this. I think this is a lot better. This looks so freaking sick. So this is without my mic. This is just with the iPhone mic. Maybe this one will sound better, but yo, like, guys, I'm telling you, I'm upping my content. I'm upping like just the quality of the videos. I hope this is gonna pay off. Like, this is way freaking better. Like, I can't believe I was using that piece, no offense, a piece of shit tripod. Well, this is way better. Anyways, I guess I'll show you guys when I'm like washing my car or something. So we're just wiping down the car right now. The gods have spoken, they've listened. It's not raining, knock on wood, it won't rain for the rest of the day, but I just finished cleaner, now I'm just wiping her down, getting her ready for the meet. We're getting her all prepped up for the big day, you know what I'm saying? All right, man, we're ready to go out. So this is the lineup that's going in. Got my car right here. We got Nick's car right here. I've shown you guys this car before. Looking pretty freaking sick.
He doesn't come out much.
And then we got Jose's car right here. Frickin', let's go, man. Let's frickin' go. Got a sick lineup. Let's go. Holy fuck. Bruh. Sorry, I was waiting for them. Oh, yeah, holy fuck, there's a lot of people here already. Holy fuck. What up, bro?
About time.
Yo, my bad, I was waiting.
You can park right here.
Is there
probably your best spot.
Where should I park?
Probably just right here, yo. I'm not even joking.
There's no parking over there?
Well, on the end again.
What's going on, man? What's going on, man?
Yo, I'll move my car for you.
Okay, we'll park.
How you late to your own meet, man?
Bruh. I don't know. I was waiting on him.
Okay, park
Oh,
on.
let's go, man. Here, let's go, man.
Nice to see you, buddy.
Oh, nice to see you, man. Jeez. Guys, this is a sick freaking turnout.
Where do you want to go then?
Holy shit. Oh shit, these guys pulled up too. What's up, bro? I don't know, say what's up to you first. What's up, man? What's up, man? It's good, man. Yo, where's Henny and those guys?
Oh, they're on their way. They're supposed to meet me at Auto Spa, but
Jeez, bro. So many people came out, bro. This is fucked. Holy shit. Jeez. There's so many. Holy shit. How's it going? Are you running your stock intake still?
yeah.
Guys, so many freaking cars came out, man. It's a pretty sick turnout. No, this is sick, man. So what's done to it? Okay. Bro, this is clean, man. Holy shit. I even like the hoses too. You got like a different color.
It's a mission motor hoses.
Oh, cool, man. Holy shit. Willwood brake kit. Jeez. Where'd you get the lip from?
The lip, it's a Maxton design. It's a lip and size code.
Oh, okay.
Jeez. See the name.
Jeez. Bro, this is clean, man. Thanks for coming up, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah. I want to get some clips of it. It's clean. Guys, this shit is freaking clean, man. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Yeah, I know. Like, cursor you allow me to do that. Like, can I park in the grass?
Yo, what's up, bro?
What's good, bro?
Yo, so what's next, bro?
Mine?
Yeah, bro.
Bigger turbo. New wheels. I want to get some new wheels.
Oh shit.
Still getting it tuned.
Oh, you're still in the tuning
still on my
process?
first lap, yeah.
Oh shit. Bro, so many cars. What the fuck? Yo, what's up, bro? That's good, man. That's good.
No, I just can't see the camera, which is weird.
Yo, we're getting some sick footage, bro?
Hopefully.
Hopefully, man. There's a little view right there. Bye, friend.
Stop chasing all the city lights. Breathe me in, go on and take your bite. Count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me tonight.
Supra? Is that a Supra? Buddy. What the fuck? Shit's fucked. It sounds like it's camp.
It is camp.
Oh, it is? No hood gang.
No, everything gang.
No everything gang.
It up, surprisingly. I didn't think it was going to clear us.
No, he gave me his pink slip. We switched. Yeah.
Guys, this is a freaking sick ass turnout. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's kind of dying down right now. Like, it's kind of like later on into like the end of the meet, but yo.
It's lit up. It looks amazing.
I know, dude. I took the.
Here we got Jason meeting his fans.
It was a good turnout. There's no fucking dickheads either.
You said Rusky.
The next day.
Man, what a crazy turnout, man. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It exceeded my expectations. Like, going into the meet, I really only expected, I'll be honest with you guys, I really only expected like at the very most like 50 people. But man, I think like at its peak around like 8 o'clock, there was around like 150 to 200 people, which was absolutely insane. Like, I honestly couldn't have asked for like a better turnout. Like, it was super chill. There's no stupid shit. There's no burnouts. Like, there was like a little bit of revving here and there, but that's okay. Shit like that is like whatever. But like, there's no cops either. And man, let me tell you guys, it was an amazing meet. Like, for my first ever meet that I've ever hosted, honestly, like, I couldn't have asked for any more. Everyone was there. It was super nice. It was good vibes. There was good music. There was good people, good cars. Man, it really just exceeded my expectations. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So I apologize if I didn't get as many clips as I could last night. Man, I was just super overwhelmed. I was just talking to so many people, like meeting so many of you guys, meeting a bunch of my subscribers. It was pretty freaking cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. A lot of people came up to me, which, I mean, obviously it was kind of like my own meet, but like, it was pretty cool. Thank you for everyone who said what's up to me. Thank you for everyone who came out. Like, honestly, it really meant the world to me that, like, you know, so many people showed up. Like, it was honestly, like I said, completely exceeded my expectations. Yo, who's got? I got the Q50. You guys in your Civics, man. The Subi's just gonna blow up.
Won't stop, bro. I think he just came to the dealership right now. He just turned it on. Aren't they twin? No, they're not.
How old are you, fam? It's not
That guy's on stock tires. That Type R is all-wheel drive. No, it isn't. Conversion.